America can't compete with China's new high-speed future. While the U.S. struggles with outdated infrastructure and slow development, China is racing ahead, redefining the future of transportation at an unprecedented scale. But how did China achieve this rapid transformation, and why is the U.S. falling so far behind? Let's dive in! Welcome to Eye2Future. China has spent decades perfecting infrastructure at a scale never seen before. With government-backed investments and a vision for the future, China has constructed world-class transportation systems that make commuting seamless and efficient. From record-breaking bridges to state-of-the-art subway systems, China is leaving the rest of the world behind. Take the Shenzhen Metro, for example. Spanning over 300 miles and expanding at an impressive rate, this transit system is a marvel of modern engineering. The efficiency, cleanliness, and speed of these metro lines are simply unmatched. Now compare that to New York's aging subway system. There's simply no competition. Gangxia North Station on Shenzhen's Line 14 is a glimpse into the future of public transportation. With spacious layouts, high-speed ticketing, and digital assistance for commuters, it exemplifies what modern metro systems should look like. One system is futuristic, efficient, and designed for the 21st century. The other? Well, let's just say it's struggling to keep up with demand and maintenance issues. The contrast couldn't be more clear. And it's not just transportation. China is pushing the boundaries of innovation in every sector. In Shenzhen, I witnessed food being delivered by drones. Yes, drones. The U.S. is still in the testing phase with this technology, but in China, it's already a part of daily life. Convenience, speed, and automation. China is redefining the way people live and interact with technology. China's rapid expansion isn't just limited to metro systems. The country has built an extensive network of highways, some of the longest and most advanced bridges in the world, and airports that look like something out of a sci-fi movie. China is setting new standards for airport efficiency and passenger experience. Meanwhile, U.S. airports continue to struggle with congestion, outdated terminals, and security bottlenecks. The difference is staggering. So why is the U.S. struggling? Decades of underinvestment, bureaucratic red tape, and lack of long-term planning have left America's infrastructure outdated and inefficient. While China is building a nationwide high-speed rail network that connects its cities in record time, the U.S. still relies on outdated Amtrak routes that barely meet modern standards. It's a race that America isn't even close to winning. Experts warn that without significant investment and policy changes, the U.S. risks falling even further behind. Will America ever be able to match China's speed and efficiency? China isn't just keeping up. It's setting the global standard for infrastructure and innovation. With smart cities, AI-driven traffic management, and seamless integration between transport modes, China's future is already here. So what do you think? Should America take a page from China's playbook and invest in bold, futuristic infrastructure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening content.